So yeah, I was gonna make a video changing out the wheel bearing and hub. Not gonna bother making that video right now. This has been a pain. So finally got this thing out. Had to beat it with the back of the axe after heating it up with a torch, soaking it in liquid wrench, and almost starting everything on fire. Here it is, almost 200,000 miles on it. So obviously it was going to be stuck in there. Just how bad, you know, I don't know, it's kind of a pain. I got that one out. New one's going to go in right here. There it is. This is a two-wheel drive. It's pretty straightforward. So, you know, if you need any advice on this, maybe you probably shouldn't do it yourself. All you have to do is take off the wheel, brake pads, caliper, the little caliper holder there, whatever that thing is, you know, and then pull off the rotor. Then there's 4 bolts in the back. On this model, there's a 3/4 ton. 4 bolts in the back. You have to turn the wheel to get the lower 2, left or right, depending on where you're at. Pull those out and then beat the living hell out of the hub to get everything out. Then after you get it out, put everything back together. It's really easy. Really easy job. Don't forget to pull out the ABS sensor. Otherwise that's going to fall and hit the ground and probably rip. And you'll have to get a new one wired up. Yeah, otherwise, I want to put this back together now.